This is Rakesh from Let's Make Learning Simple channel. Now we are going to discuss about prototype design pattern. So actually the name itself conveys that it's a prototype. There is some virtual thing, by using that we can create the actual things. For example, if you are building a new house, then there is some prototype. Using the prototype, you can use the prototype design to create the actual object. So it falls under creational design pattern because it plays its role while creating the new objects. So create new objects by cloning or copying. This is the one statement that defines the meaning of this prototype design pattern. Suppose if your application needs n number of objects of the similar object means, then you can create the object for only one time and you can clone or copy those objects for n number of times. By doing that, you can save time and also memory and also computation power. So these are the two real-time examples where prototype design pattern plays a major role. For example, if a Java application is trying to read the data from database, example name and weight of a dog, so that the database will return the name and weight of the dog XYZ and 10 kg. Using this information, Java creates an object for dog. So that object is called dog object, name XYZ and weight 10 kg. If a Java application needs the same similar kind of data and it needs to create a similar kind of object means, there are two ways. One way is the Java asks the database once again, it will return the same data and Java application will try to create the same object. That's one way. So if you have 100 objects requirement means, then 100 times database call will go. That's very costly operation in terms of time and in terms of competition. So we can do in another way by using this actual object as a reference. We can copy this object to n number of times. Technically, it's called cloning. So if you want to tell in layman terms, it's just copying. So using this dog object, we can create dog 1, dog 2, dog 3, n number of dogs by consuming less amount of memory and also less amount of resources. And the second example, if you are a user, if you are trying to download a movie from the internet, if suppose the movie name is Mr. Bean movie, what you will do is you will try to download from internet. So it may, if the size of the movie is 1 GB means, it may take nearly 30 minutes for downloading that. After 30 minutes, what you do, if you have watched that movie means, you will tell to your friends that the movie is very nice. So what your friends will do is, your friends will also ask you regarding that movie. So what you would do is, you will try to copy the existing movie either to pen drive or DVD or hard disk, and you will try to give it to your friends. This is also a prototype design pattern. Here you are trying to copy a source to a number of virtual things so that you can save the memory. In this case, you can save the data and also time. So thanks once again. In the next video, we will try to explain the prototype design pattern using real-time examples using Java code. So please try to watch that video also. Thanks once again.